What if the ending of a story you loved was suddenly changed? How would it affect your perception of the entire narrative? Today we dive into the intriguing differences between the book and movie endings of The Idea of You. The Idea of You, a romantic comedy starring Anne Hathaway and Nicholas Galitzine, has been lighting up screens on Amazon Prime Video. This film, a beautiful adaptation of Robin Lee's novel, explores the passionate love affair between a 40-year-old single mother and a boy band singer. Yet, the movie's ending diverges from its literary counterpart, with director Michael Showalter choosing a different path. In the novel, the ending is quite definitive, leaving little room for speculation about the future of the characters. However, Showalter's film adaptation takes a different route. The movie's ending is less certain, leaving the future of the characters up in the air. This approach provides a sense of hope for their relationship, a stark contrast to the book's more definitive conclusion. Why did Showalter opt for a more hopeful ending? The answer might lie in the medium itself. Film, being a visually immersive medium, allows for a more open interpretation of events. A hopeful and uncertain ending can leave viewers speculating and discussing long after the credits have rolled. This change also adds a unique flavor to the film, distinguishing it from the book while maintaining the essence of the story. Let's debunk some rumors while we're at it. Robin Lee, the author of the novel, has clarified that the book is not inspired by Harry Styles fan fiction and is not based on any existing celebrity. This underlines the creative freedom and originality of both the book and movie, despite their differences. To summarize, The Idea of You presents an intriguing case of divergent endings between its book and movie forms. The novel's definitive conclusion contrasts with the film's more hopeful and uncertain ending. Director Michael Showalter's decision to take a different route could be attributed to the immersive nature of film, which allows for more open-ended interpretations. This change not only sparks viewer discussions, but also adds a unique flavor to the film. In the end, whether it's the book's definitive conclusion or the film's hopeful ambiguity, The Idea of You succeeds in capturing the complexities of love and relationships in both mediums. And isn't that what great storytelling is all about? Crafting narratives that resonate regardless of the medium or the ending.